Polestar confirms the successful start of production of Polestar 4, with first deliveries to customers in China expected before the end of 2023. Official launch in all other Polestar markets is planned for early 2024, with customer deliveries in these markets expected within the same year. The first production car to roll off the assembly line is finished in snow with the signature Swedish gold details of the performance pack. It is the first Polestar to be manufactured at the Hangzhou Bay factory operated by Geely Holding, which is powered by renewable electricity that carries the IREC hydropower certificate, combined with photovoltaic electricity generated on the roof of the plant.